Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I will be doing exercise 3B. This is chapter number 3. We are doing mathematics for grade 7. This is a new syllabus mathematics for Oxford, 7th edition. So we are on page number 70. Question number 1 says, state the number of significant figures in each of the following. This A part, B part, C part, we need to tell the number of significant figures. Okay, the rule is that any zero in between, this is also significant. So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 numbers. So number of significant figures is equal to 5. Okay, this is the answer for part A. Part B says 0.028030. Here the rule says that any zero on the left side of the decimal, it is not significant. Okay, also the rule says when we have point, so any zero which is on the left side of the numbers, these are the numbers 28030, on the left side this zero is not significant. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 significant figures. Okay, now part C says 2900 to the nearest 10. First we need to round it off to the nearest 10. Then after that we will be telling the number of significant figures. This is ones, this is tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, the rule says that it is nearest to 10. Okay, place a bar here. Okay, then on the right side it will be cancelled. It becomes 0, 9, 2, 290. Okay, so this is to the nearest 10. So here 3 numbers. So we have 3 significant figures. Okay, so next question is round off each of the following to the number of significant figures as given in the brackets. Now we will be doing question number 2, where we need to do the right round off first, and then we will be telling the number of significant figures. Part A is 7 to 8. In the bracket they have mentioned 2 significant figures. So we only need 2 significant figures. Okay, so we don't need this one. Then we will round it to this place. The rule says it becomes 0. We will add 1 because this is greater than 5. It becomes 3. 730. So this number, it has 2 significant figures. Okay, this is the answer for part A. Now we will be doing part B. Part B is 503.88. This is to 4 significant figures. So we need 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we need to round off it first. This 8, it becomes 0. This is greater than 5, it becomes 9. These remain same. So 503.90, it has 1 2 3 4 significant figures. Okay, part C says 0.0030. We need it to 4 significant figures. Okay, first of all, we know this is not significant. Any 0 before the numbers, this is not significant. This is not significant. It has 1 2 3 4 5, but we need 4. So this is the 4th. 1 2 3 4. We will round off. It becomes 0. This is greater than this is equal to 5. It becomes 9. 8 plus 1 9. 1 0 3. Okay, so 0.0030 This is the answer for part C. It has 1 2 3 4 significant figures. This was part C. Now we will be doing part D. Even if you don't place this one, still it is okay because there is no use of value of the 0 at the end. Okay, So now we will be doing part D, question number 2. Part D says 6396. We need two significant figures and three significant figures. Okay. So first we talk about two significant figures. 1, 2. We'll round off. These two become 0, 0. This is greater than 5. We add 1 here. It becomes 4. So this number, it has two significant figures. When we talk about three significant figures, 1, 2, 3. We round off. This becomes 0. This is greater than 5. It becomes 9 plus 1, 10. This 0 comes here. This 1 will be carried forward to this. 3 plus 1 is 4. 6, 4, 0, 0 is the answer when we talk about three significant figures. This was part D. Then we move to part E. Part E says 9.9999. 4 times 9, it is called tetra 9. We need it to three significant figures. Okay, 3 means 1, 2, 3. So when we round off this, this becomes 0, 0. This is greater than 9. So we add 1 here. It becomes 10. 0 will come here. 1 will be added here. Now 9 plus 1, 10. Again 0 comes here. 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10. It becomes 10.000. So we say that 10.0. Okay. This is the answer for part E, because in 10.0 we have 1, 2, 3 figures. You know that 10.000, 10.0 and 10, these are all same. Okay, so we can write it like this because here we have three significant figures. Okay, now we'll be doing part F of question number 2. Part F says 8.076. We need to round it up to three significant figures. We have 1, 2, 3. It becomes 0. This is greater than 5. We add 1. It becomes 8. 8.08. So we can write it like 8.08. There is no value of this. Okay. So this has three significant figures. Okay. So we are done with complete question number 2. Now we'll be doing question number 3. The number 143200 is correct to x significant figures. Write down the possible values of x. Okay. You know that in this question we need to find the possibility that how many significant figures it can have. Okay, we know that this is significant, this is significant, significant, significant. Okay, it can be 4. This is also significant, it has a value. It can be 5. This is also significant, it has a value. So it has 6, 4, 5 or 6. Okay, so x can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 6. So this number, if we ignore these two, it has 4 significant figures. If we don't ignore this one, it has 5. If we don't ignore this one, it has 6. So it can be 4, it can be 5 or it can be 6. Okay, this is the answer for question number 3. Question number 4 is evaluate each of the following and correct your answer to the number of significant figures as given in brackets. A part is 1 over 99 to 4 significant figures. And when we divide this by 99, we put point 0, put 0, again 0, again 0, 99, So 1 0. Okay, so we need it to 4 significant figures. Okay, so it will be 0.001, and if we move ahead, it is still smaller. We put 0. 91 becomes 91. Still smaller, put 0. So it becomes 0.0010101. Okay, here we see that the zeros before the numbers, these are not significant. Okay, so we need 4. 1 2 3 4. So the answer will be 0.001010, because here we have 4 significant figures. Okay, we know the rule that when point is there, so all the number of zeros before the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, before this on the left side, these have no significance, so these are not significant. We have 1 2 3 4 significant figures in this case. Okay, now we will be doing part B. Part B says 871 multiplied by 234, two significant figures. We will multiply these two by using calculator. 871 multiplied by 234, we get 203814. We get 203814, but we need only two significant figures, 1 2 up till here. So we round off, it becomes 0, it becomes 0, it becomes 0, becomes 0. Okay, 3 is less than 5, no change here, it becomes this. So this is the answer for part B. Okay, part C is similarly, we have 21 square over 0.219. we need it to 5 significant figures. Okay, so we will use a calculator first. We'll do 21 multiplied by 21 divided by 0.219. It becomes 2013.6986. We need 5 significant figures, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, up till here. We'll round off, it becomes 0 0 0. Greater than 5, add 1 here, 7 3 1 0. It is 2013.7. 1 2 3 4 5. It has 5 significant figures. Okay, now we talk about part D, which is 3.91 cube minus 2.1 divided by 6.41. We need to round off the answer to two significant figures. So first we will take the cube of 3.91. 3.91, it becomes 59.77647 minus 2.1 over 6.41. So we will do minus 2.1 divided by 6.41. We get the answer 8.9978. We need two significant figures, 1 2 up till here. This will be 0. This is greater than 5. We add 1 here. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 will be carried forward. Put 0.8. 8 plus 1 9. Okay. So 9.0. Here we have two significant figures. So this is the answer for part D. So we have done 4 complete questions in this video.